Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some soy marinated eggs, but as you all know it as the Jammy eggs because that's what Kiki Palmer been calling it. So we're finna make some today, y'all. It's super easy. Let's just get started. Before we get started though, y'all, make sure I get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
So we have about 5 boiled eggs, but I did mess one up, so we got 4 boiled eggs, okay? We have it in the ice bath. All we did was cook it for 6 minutes. So what I did was boil the water first. Then I put the egg, I turned it down so it don't be bouncing everywhere when you put it in there. Put the eggs in there for 6 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes, and take it out, okay? And put it in the ice bath. That's where we at right now, okay? So we just gonna crack these eggs. What I like to do is get a paper towel and just crack them all on paper towel. Spoon. Y'all see? Messed them up real bad. Okay? So I put the eggs back in there for like 2 or 3 more minutes and we about to put it in the ice bath now and hopefully that is done. So y'all cook it for longer than 6 minutes, maybe like 10. Cause I don't know what I did, but yeah, maybe like 10 minutes. I usually use my egg cooker. That's why I don't usually cook it on the stove. So that's why. Okay, we got them out. We're gonna try it again. If this don't work, y'all, I'm just gonna have to start over with some brand new eggs and boil them the way that I know how to boil them. Cause I don't have time for this, and eggs is too expensive. Okay, this peeling a little better. There we go. So y'all can see the bounce on it. That's how you know the yolk is still good inside. Yeah, we got 3 eggs, but it's okay. Okay, so y'all, we have some green onion. We have some shallots. We got some fresh garlic. We're gonna do about a cup of soy sauce. Got about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. We're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. This is the one I'm using, y'all. Okay. We're gonna go in with a little bit of chicken bouillon. Y'all know what that is. We're gonna add some sesame seeds. Y'all gonna add some chili crisp. Y'all, we're just gonna add a little bit of sugar. Now we're gonna add our eggs, y'all. I made some more eggs, but we got some ugly eggs and some cute eggs, I guess. Y'all see that? So now we're just gonna add the eggs in there. So I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken broth since I don't have enough to cover. I'm gonna try to cover. Perfect. So the measurement on the chicken broth might need a little bit more just depending on what kind of container you use and how many eggs you're using, okay? Just pour it till you think it's right. And we're just gonna put the lid on this. And if you need to, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all. If you need to keep the eggs down, you can place a paper towel on top to keep it down. I don't need to because they in there, so we good. Into the fridge for 24 hours. Let's try these eggs. It's been 24 hours, y'all. Y'all, they say with some rice or noodles, so we're gonna try it with some rice today since I got some rice. Still the way we left them. Let's give them a taste. I'm gonna add a little sauce on top. I think they're supposed to still be cold, y'all, so I don't know. Not my fave. I don't like it very much. I'm gonna leave these jammy eggs for Kiki Palmer. Get a little taste. See if it tastes a little better.
No, it's not better.
Y'all wanted the recipe. Y'all got it. But it is not my fave. I get this to y'all, let y'all try it and taste it, and y'all taste buds might be a little different from mine. But I don't think I can get jiggy with this. I tasted it at first and I was like, okay, but no. No. Every time I try to taste it, it just don't get better. Nope. Motherfucker still here trying to taste it.
Trying
Nope.
their fucking best.
Nope. Wanna try some jammy eggs?
Yeah.
I don't even know why I'm still picking around this. You don't like it? Alright, y'all, so this is how they came out. Something very, very different. It's like an Asian style dish. So this ain't gonna be for everybody liking, but it's pretty easy and pretty simple. Y'all, don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.